Hi guys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to RoboThoughts, and we are in lesson number 45, Python coding on Jetson Nano. Alright, in the previous lesson I showed you a concept that most of the booleans are true, most, right? In this lesson I'm going to show you some boolean values are false. How? In fact, there are not many values that evaluates to false except empty values, right? For example, in a round bracket, right, open and close, there is no value inside, so that is empty. In a square bracket, there is nothing inside, that is empty. In a curly bracket, there is nothing inside, it's empty. In a double quote, there is nothing inside, it's empty. So the number 0 and the value is none. Okay, and of course the value false evaluates to false. I know it's too much, guys. I think it's going above your head. Let me show you some example by coding in front of you. All right, so let's see. I am logging into my Jetson Nano and I have already logged into the most favorite single board computing, Jetson Nano. All right, I am on the terminal. Let's create a new file Nano IDE, nano bool false.py. All right, now let's create some code. Now how do I show you? All right, so I'm going to put some examples here, and those values, when you execute, it will return as a false. How? Let's see. For example, bool false. Can you see the color changes? Okay, and then bool say none. Okay, and bool say 0. Okay, and say bool, I will say double quote and double quote, there is nothing inside. All right, same way bool, no, I think there's more than enough. So let's say print, I'm going to print what? I'm going to print the boolean value, and boolean value of what? Let's say false. Okay, and you got to close it twice. Let's say print the boolean value, again the boolean of what? None. Okay, again I got to close this, and then print the bool of 0. Yeah, bool of, let's say 0 is nothing but a 0. Now let's say print what? Bool, and the double quote, there is nothing inside the double quote. Let's print, let's close this entirely. Now let's see what happens. How do I save it? Control O, enter, Control X. All right, now let's execute this file. Python 3 bool false.py. Oh no, what is that? What was the error? None is not defined. I just did. Let's see. Nano bool false.py. Of course none is defined. Guys, can you see what's the issue here? Let's say, let me say none. All right, now it should work. All right, it's sometimes the uppercase and the lowercase, it creates a problem, guys. So control O, enter, control X. Okay, now Python 3 bool false dot py. No, what's the problem? None is not defined again, line 6. What should be the problem, guys? Let me just see. Nano bool false dot py. Bool none, print bool none. It's okay. Let me change this as well to uppercase. I hope this works. Control O, enter, control X. All right, Python 3 bool false dot py. False, 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 and false. There you go. So you got it right. So this is a classic example of some Boolean value can be false with a certain conditions, right? I showed you the condition, like for example, in a bracket there is nothing, in a curly bracket there's nothing, in a square bracket there's nothing, double quotes inside there is nothing. So obviously that's going to be declared as false. All right, guys, let me clear this out, and I hope this example really helps you to understand some Boolean values are false and most of it are true, which is in the previous video. Alright, guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you are enjoying this series. Do please practice. Make sure that you practice, watch my video and practice. Type the command, execute, create a Python file, write the code, save it, execute it, again do it. Once you start getting into that rhythm, I'm sure you are going to be the masters. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon again in the next video.